Home screen. In this video, you will learn about the home screen. When you first open the MeasureSquare program, you will see the home screen that will soon list all of the diagrams that you create. A few icon descriptions. On the upper right, you have the sync icon. Tapping here will back up your diagrams onto our cloud. A to Z allows you to modify your projects as needed, either alphabetically, by create time, or by last modified, with most recent projects at the top of the list. The person icon on the upper left will bring you to your account information and settings. Also, you will find links to your M2 account and floor link if you have a registered account. Do not forget to let us know how we are doing by rating the app. Log out if you like to exit the program. Select Done to go back to your list of diagrams. To create a new diagram, tap the plus icon and type in your project name.